Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to set a free caller tune in Airtel. You can do same process of other networks also. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So now let's start as a mobile screen. So let's start demonstration. Simply open here App Store. If you have Android, you can use Play Store and just type here Wynk Music, WYNK Music. You need to download this application. It's very simple. I already download this application. After download, you click and simply open. Now look at this here. First application is display here. I already download, but I uninstall and again I install here. Simply install. Its application size is very small, depend upon your internet speed. Look at this, the installation is completed. I just simply open here, allow my location, continue with mobile number. I just simply put it here, my mobile number, Indian mobile number. Next, I am receiving one OTP within a second. Yes, next. Then find music for you, wait couple of seconds, and boom, the application is successfully registered my ID. So now which Hello Tune you want needed, you just simply search here in the search menu and just type here which song you want set your Hello Tune for someone special or all audience. So I just simply select here demo point of view Besabriya, one of my favorite song. So look at this here, like, playlist, download and Hello Tune options are available. I just simply click here and boom, now the song is play here and I just simply set, and it's very simple. Now someone are calling me, so definitely he or she receiving the Hello Tune of Besabriya song. It's very simple and absolutely free. No need to send any kind of messages, SMS of company 121 or some other numbers. You just download, search your favorite song and set Hello Tune using these tips and tricks. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.